Vivian from Atascocita has coil concerns.
Well, yeah, she's wondering about her coil, whether it needs to be replaced or repaired or whatever. Here's the story. She writes, my daughter's home is about 5 to 6 years old, and last year her outside AC unit had to be replaced. About 2 years ago, a technician indicated the evaporator coil might need to be replaced as well. Well, last month, during a scheduled maintenance, she says, the tech said there is a leak in the evaporator coil. It needs to be replaced to the tune of about $4,000 to $5,000. She wants to know, do you recommend getting another quote on this, or is it possible that it could be repaired, Tom?
First off, you said the house is 5 years old and the system is 5 years
old. Yeah,
it should all be under warranty as far as that goes. Not labor, but material warranty. And as far as $5,000 to replace an evaporator coil, that's outrageous. So my answer is get a second opinion on this.
Who would you
and
call?
Whoever installed it, I will get there. Whoever installed it did a very poor job, because you should not have any breakdowns like this at all, especially replacing the outside unit already. No. So as far as that goes, call Absolute Comfort Air and just have them come out and do a checkup. It's like $59, $60, something like that. And they'll give you the full scoop on everything, but I think you're getting taken a little bit.
Would you tell them that somebody else said you need an evaporator coil, Tom, or would you just have them come and do a checkup?
I never tell anybody anything. I say, come do a full checkup. Heard about it on Tom Tynan Show, and it's that time of year.
Yeah,
that's it.
Definitely I heard it on Tom Tynan Show part. You definitely say that. Okay,
yeah,
but more important, more to the point is what you said is we don't want to have you call and say, here's what's wrong with the system.
No, and I don't want them to call and say, I got another opinion, and I think the guy's trying to rip me off. You just don't say that. Just like if you get 3 or 4 bids for foundation repair, you don't tell the one person what the other person said. Just listen to them and get their opinion. Then you can compare them all and see what the true story is.
Now, in science, we would call that a single blind research test. Where one person doesn't know what's going on. So there you go.
True.
All right. Do you have a question? Don't be blinded. We'll give you the light. Go ahead and send your question to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video just like this. By the way, we post one every day at HomeShowRadio.com and on our Facebook page too. If you haven't joined our Facebook page,
ding,
we'd love you to follow that as well.